I am Abudar Ansari. I am a student of 9th standard at Crescent Public School, Kishanganj, Bihar. Today, I am thankful to Salman Khan sir and Teach India Foundation to optimize my communication skills, personality development, and public speaking skills. If you are in misunderstanding that you cannot do anything, that it's beyond your level, that something for you is impossible, today I'm going to prove this wrong. I heard this quote and it goes, the body achieves what the mind believes. Which animal is the king of the jungle? Of course, lion. But which is the fastest animal? Cheetah. And tallest? Giraffe. And clever? Fox. But the lion don't have any of the quality to become king. Someone asked lion that why are you king of the jungle while you don't have any of the quality to become? The lion replied that I believe that I'm king, so I'm king of the jungle. So believe in yourself. You cannot expect what you can do. And one other thing that becomes the road, a speed breaker of the road of your success is problem. Perhaps you are familiar with Bear Grylls, a man who accepts the challenge of nature to fulfill his dreams of adventure. Once he was diving from his helicopter and his parachute stopped working and he directly fell on the ground and his 3 backbones fractured. Doctor's word made him shocked. That meant he not able to walk again. But he never gave up. Just after 2 years, he conquered the Mount Everest and became the youngest Britishers to conquer of the Mount Everest. So never quit if problems arises in a life. As Neil Armstrong said, that going on the moon and back was simply solving 2 problems. How to get there and how to get back. He said that the secret was not to leave before both were solved.